Hello friend, welcome back to my channel Take W3 Way. This is Vijay Kumar. In this lesson, we will be see another one example of Apex trigger in Salesforce. The scenario is update the related account phone if contact record is created in Salesforce. Follow these steps to create new Apex trigger in Salesforce. First, log in your Salesforce developer org, then open developer console and create an Apex trigger file on contact object. Then create trigger handler class. Here we will be updating related account phone from the contact phone in Salesforce. So here we will use after insert action event in Apex trigger and updating parent record when child record is created in Salesforce. This is a screenshot of contact in Salesforce. This is the object name. Whenever we are creating a contact, here we will be updating the phone number associated to this account. This is a screenshot of the account. This is the object name. Here we are updating the phone number of the related contact phone number. So friends, now let's jump to my Salesforce potential org where we will be see live demo example how to create a press class trigger and how to update from child to parent record whenever contact record is created. Then the phone of the contact will be automatically updated to the related account of the phone. So let's get started. So friends, this is my Salesforce credential org. First go to the setup, open the developer console. So I already opened my developer console in personal org. In the developer console, first we need to create two files. First file will be contact trigger and second file will be contact trigger handler. So as per the best practice, don't write a business logic in the contact trigger directly. Always use contact trigger handler and create a method and that method will be called into the contact trigger. So now here first we will be create method and inside the method we will be write a business logic. Public static void write the name of the method code related account bracket and curly bracket. Inside the bracket, we will be pass list of the contact and pass the parameter. List of contact and full list. After that, we will be create a map, ID and contact. Full map equal to new and bracket and semicolon. So here I created a map, ID and contact. Then we will be apply for loop. Inside the for loop, pass contact variable phone column. Here I am passing the list of the contact. This is a parameter. Then I will be assign the value into the map. Here we will be assign contact account ID and contact. Phone map dot put phone dot account ID comma phone. So inside the map I am assigning the value account ID and contact. After that I will be write a SQL query on list of the account. ACC obj list equal to select ID name phone from account where ID in we will be pass the phone map dot keyset. Keyset hold the account ID. Here I am putting the account ID. So key set hold the account ID. So based on the account ID, I am fetching the list of the account. Then I will be apply for loop account ACC column. This is a account list. Here I am writing a SQL query on account because here I am updating the related contact phone to the account. So here I am applying the for loop of account. This is a account list. Now here I will be update the value account phone from the contact. So ACCC dot phone equal to this is a contact map. So I will be get the phone number from the map. Phone map dot get acc dot id dot phone. Here I am assigning the contact phone number to the account phone. Then create a list of the account object item equal to new. Now here I will be add list of the updated value inside the list of account. Copy the list of account dot add pass the account. After for loop, I will be check if this account object item not empty. Then update list of the account here. Then save the file. Now I am getting error. Let me check. This is a spelling mistake. Key set, not key. KEY. Line number 11. Now save again. File has been saved successfully. Now go to the contact trigger. So this method we will be called to the apex trigger after event. So this apex class controller and method we will be called into the contact trigger. So first I will be use before insert and after insert. So here I will be add after insert because I am updating the record if creating a contact. So I will be call this method inside the after event if trigger is before and if trigger is after. So I will call this controller inside the after event here. So first we will be call the name of the controller dot. This is a method. Here I will pass the trigger dot new because inside the method I am passing list of the contact and contact list. Instead of the contact list, we will be passed trigger dot new. Then save. And I will save successfully. So here I created two files, contact trigger handler and contact trigger. So in the contact trigger handler, I created a method and contact trigger. I am passing the controller name dot method name and inside the bracket trigger dot new because trigger dot new is a bulky file code. So trigger dot new hold the current session of list of the contact record. So friends, now let me go to the contact object where we will be creating new contact Then after creating a contact, the phone number of the contact will be automatically updated related to the account. So now first create a contact, go to contact and create new. Write the name of the first name, last name, mandatory field. So in the contact, last name is always mandatory. Take W3 Wave 12. Account name. So which account you want to tag? So here I am selecting take W3 Wave 10. This is a parent account. And write the phone number 666 777 9990 and save the record. One record saved successfully. This is a contact and this is a related account. So I will check the related account. This phone number will be automatically populated. Go to related account and here you can find phone number automatically populated. Now let me create another one contact. Let me check first. Suppose guys take 339. There is a no phone. So newly created contact will be tagged take 359. Click new. Write the name of the first name and last name. Here I am writing the name take W3 Wave. Vijay 2. So this is the name of the first name, last name. Here I am selecting the account name. So this time I am selecting take W3 Wave 9. Right now in the take W3 Wave 9 there is no phone number. Now I am writing the phone number 8888 4444 and 23. Now save the record. So this take W3 Wave 9 account related to this contact. So phone number is this one 888-444-23. Now go to the related account. You can find phone number is automatically updated through Apextra trigger. So my Apextra trigger working fine as per condition. So friends, try to do from your side in your personal org. If you getting anything issue to update from child to parent, please write a comment box. To find my channel on YouTube, simply search Take W3 Wave. And here you will be get my channel name Take W3 Wave. Click here and go to the videos. Here you will be get many more video like Lightning Auto Component, Visualforce page, Salesforce, Lightning Flow Builder, Salesforce LWC. So here you will be get live demo real-time scenario that is working in Office. So you will be get very helpful in your project. If you subscribe my channel, so please subscribe, share and support my channel. Thank you so much.